Good morning.
Hello.
Have a good Friday.
Yes.
It was a very, very wet and windy night last night. Everything is so...
Nothing of ours is soaked.
No, just the outside.
Yeah.
Thankfully it stopped raining now. But yeah, Google was like, it's not raining. It definitely was raining. It was raining all night. Yeah, so we're just leaving the campground now. And we're gonna head today to Whites Bay campground. We're not gonna go the crazy road way because after the weather last night, I can't be bothered. It's a gravel road and you just don't know what condition it's gonna be in. So we're just gonna head back through Picton, see what's open, if there's anything open, because it is Good Friday. A lot of stuff shut too. And then we are gonna try and go to Rarangi Bay just to walk to Monkey Beach. Before we go, and then we'll head to Whites Bay. So just a short journey today, but hopefully the weather holds because the sun is trying now. It's just very windy. It's only like 14 degrees, coldest it's been in a while. Yeah, nice little DOC campsite for 10 a night. Flushing toilets and stuff, so that makes a difference.
Such luxury.
Yeah. Yeah, there's still this everywhere. Yeah. Good Friday coffee. So just come to Karaka Point. Nice views all the way along this road of the Sounds. People out on their boats. It's a lovely area. So you can walk down to the end of this point, but the weather isn't great, so we're going to enjoy the view from here. Made it over to Rarangi Beach. Pretty. So there is a campsite here, so we're going to see what Whites Bay looks like. If not, we're going to stay here, but Whites Bay's around the corner. First, up the stairs. I'm going to go see Monkey Beach. It's only like 10 minutes. Up the stairs. Stairs. Monkey Beach Bay. So we decided to stay at Rarangi campsite just because it was a bit flatter, a little bit less wind. It's still quite windy, so coffee and cake inside. I'm probably just going to chill out, do some work and other bits, so we won't do much else this evening. So we will see you. Good morning.
Hello.
No. We spent the evening at Rarangi campsite, mainly in the van because it was very windy.
Very breezy, cold.
It's still quite cold today. Still only 14 degrees. Gonna head into Blenheim today just to do some shopping and to go to the library and stuff. Nothing exciting. So not sure how much we're gonna film. So we're just gonna stop at a campsite later somewhere towards Kaikoura. So we shall see. See how much we film.
Yeah, but if not, you're not missing much.
Some nice mountains in the distance. Some that have snow. Probably can't see them. We might see them when we go to Kaikoura. We go down the edge of the coast. Yeah. Nice little campsite though if you need some work. Just outside Blenheim, so it's not too expensive.
No.
Nice big vineyards. Definitely found the mountains again. I win. Nice breath.
Yeah, but I forgot my music.
Made it onto the coast. Nice drive. Gonna be tempted by the ocean later. So made it to Rarangi. Nice little campsite by the beach. I got a toilet and shower block, and then there's like a really nice general store up there, but it's not open until the morning. So we will go look in the morning. Made it to Rarangi. Lovely black sand beach. Blue water. Then yeah, it's camping all along here. It's like $14 per person per night.
Yeah.
And they have a really nice looking general store that's open. So yeah. Posted on their Facebook. They're like getting loads of.
What a lovely beach. Hello.
Hi.
So we are going to continue walking along the beach. Lovely sky. And then we are going to go back to the van, cook some dinner. We're going to have some lamb sausages. Oh, the excitement. Actually, I'm really looking forward to it. I'm quite hungry. And then we're just going to chill out, enjoy, oh, it's coming for you. Enjoy the view from the van and go from there. So yeah, we'll call it here and we'll see you, well, it'll be tomorrow, but we'll probably end the video here as well, so bye. Bye-bye. Goodbye.
Bye.